Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you the steps to select a winner for your Instagram giveaway in 2024. If you are hosting a giveaway and want an easy way to choose a winner fairly and randomly, this process will help you do just that. To begin, open the web browser on your device. In the search bar, type Instagram Giveaway Winner Picker and press Enter. You will see a list of websites designed for this purpose. Look for a reliable tool or service that is specifically built for selecting giveaway winners from Instagram posts. Examples of such websites include those that allow you to enter the link to your giveaway post and pick a winner randomly. Once you find a suitable website, click on it to open the page. Next, go to the Instagram app or website and navigate to your giveaway post. Tap on the three dots in the corner of the post and select the option to Copy Link. This will copy the URL of your giveaway post to your clipboard. Return to the Winner Picker website you selected earlier. Paste the link into the designated input field on the website. Most Winner Picker tools have a clear section where you can paste the link. After pasting the link, click on the Start or Get Comments button. The tool will begin to process the data from your giveaway post. This typically includes collecting all the comments left by participants. Depending on the number of entries, this step may take a moment. Once the data has been processed, you may see options to customize the settings for winner selection. For example, you might have the choice to filter duplicate comments to ensure that each participant only gets one entry. Some tools also allow you to add other rules, such as requiring the participant to use a specific hashtag or tag a certain number of friends. Adjust these settings based on the rules you set for your giveaway. After confirming your customization settings, click the button to start the random selection process. The website will use a randomizing algorithm to choose one winner from the eligible comments. When the process is complete, the winner's username will be displayed on the screen. Make sure to double-check the winner's eligibility by reviewing their comment and ensuring that they followed all the giveaway rules. If the selected winner is not eligible, you can use the tool to pick another winner. Once you have confirmed the winner, you can contact them directly on Instagram. Send them a message to let them know they have won and provide instructions for claiming the prize. That's how you can easily and fairly select a winner for your Instagram giveaway. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.